Hello friends. Now in this video we'll solve a question from 3 to 7 here. So we'll see. Question number 3 is they have given the SCF of two number is 23 and their LCM is 1449. SCF is equal to 23. LCM is equal to 1449 and one number is 161. So what is the number B? So remember one formula here. SCF into LCM is equal to A multiplied B here. So SCF they have given 23, LCM 1449 is equal to number A is 61 divided by B. So B is equal to 23 into 1449 divided by 161. If you divide 23, 161, 7. And after dividing 1449 by 7, answer will be 207. So second number is 207 here. So remember this rule. Product of SCF and LCM is the multiplication of A and B, means both the number here. So question number 4 is SCF of two number is 145. LCM is 2175. If one number is 725, what will be the other number here? So I just said, remember formula SCF into LCM is equal to A into B here. So SCF is 145 multiplied by 2175 is equal to 725 into B. So B is equal to 145 into 2175 multiplied by 725. Divide 145, here it will come 5. After if you divide 2175 is equal to 435. This is the answer here. Means second number will be 435 here. Next question, SCF of two number is 18 and their product is means multiplication of A into B is equal to 12960. So their LCM, as I said, LCM into SCF is equal to product of the two number. So we'll say LCM is equal to 12960 by 18 is equal to 18 7 ja 126 360. Answer is 720. So LCM is the 720 here. And sixth question is it possible to have two number when SCF is 18? The question is here. SCF of the two number is 18 here and LCM is 760. So there I is asking, is it possible? So remember one more rule here. LCM is in case of two numbers, suppose they have given two number A and B, LCM is always divisible by the SCF here. So we will divide LCM 760 by SCF 18. We say 18 4 ja 72. After that 30. After it is not totally divisible here. So 760 LCM and SCF 18 is not possible for a two given number here. So seventh question is we have to find the simplest form of four given number. First one is 69 by 92. 69 by 92. If we divide it by 23, answer will come 3 by 4. First question here. Second question is 473 divided by 645 equal to, we can divide it by 43. So answer will be 11 by 15 here. Third question is 1095 divided by 1168. So here it is divided, means divisible by 73 here. So answer will come 15 by 16. Fourth question is 368 divided by 496. So it is divisible by 16. So answer is 23 divided by 31 here. So this is the simplest form of the given number here. So in the next few questions, we'll learn about more application of LCM and SCF here.